Today we're taking a look at Cardano's ADA coin, performing some technical analysis and making some predictions on where we can expect to see ADA go in the near future. Let's get into it. Welcome back into Cardano's ADA coin chart, guys. If you'd like to buy ADA or want some free Bitcoin, there are a couple of links down in the description of today's video. And I'm actually very excited to bring you today's video because not only has, I suppose, our hope that we'd see a test of our top trend line actually occurred, it has broken through that top downtrend line. We're currently sitting at a value of 67.6 cents. We got to a high so far of today of 68.9 cents. That is fantastic. We broke through that downtrending line here at 61.7 cents. Absolutely fantastic. Whilst the break occurred downwards, as we can see here, it swooped up very swiftly as we had hoped, and of course then we saw that beautiful test of the line occur, and it's looking at this point in time like it could certainly be a breakout of sorts. What I'm going to do is just zoom out to give you guys a bit of perspective on the significance of this. So as you can see, obviously the bottom line we had here was that overall downtrending line. Now the importance of this is the fact that we broke back above it, which is fantastic, over here on the 22nd of March. But even more significant was we saw the back test of this line just recently on the 12th of May. And then what we needed to see was a clear move upwards, and that is what has just occurred. If we're able to, consecutively close above this line now for multiple days running, that will be a major bullish signal for us. So I'm very excited to see what comes. I'm just going to briefly go into the hourly chart as well, just to give us a bit more of a perspective as to what is actually occurring. And you can see it's a beautiful sort of step pattern. So we've got shoots up, consolidation, shoot up, consolidation, shoot up, bit of consolidation, shoot up once again, consolidation. That is absolutely fantastic, and it's so good to see that we've had 4 hours worth of trading now above this line. Really big things hopefully coming for us with regards to Cardano in the coming weeks. So I was absolutely stoked to show you guys that, but let's move on to have a look at a few more indicators to see if they can give us an indication as to whether this little bull run we're seeing will hold. You can see here that the volume is starting to, although minimally, creep up. It's nothing like the big dumps we saw over here about a couple of weeks ago, but it is creeping up, which is nice. Furthermore, I think when we look at the RSI, what we're going to see is buying action, and it's certainly the case. You can see the RSI has absolutely shot up, and the reason for this is because we have managed to break through that overall downtrend there. What you can see is over here on the, I suppose, first candle, what we saw was a day where we hit 48.26, and today so far the RSI has hit 58.32. So certainly a massive change given we were in that oversold range not too long ago. So really good. Plenty more room to keep moving. I'm hoping we do see some sort of consolidation occur and we don't necessarily spend or go into potentially the overbought section, but time will certainly tell. If we do, we'll see probably a back test of this line once again before the next move upwards, something a bit like that. And you know what, I'm going to keep that there because that is realistically the prediction as to what would happen in an ideal case scenario. MACD, we saw the cross of the 12-day EMA above the 26-day EMA in our last video, as we know, but it was looking very shallow. This buying momentum has shown us that we are now going to enter a bit more of a parabolic green period, which is awesome. That 12-day EMA now moving further and further away from the 26-day EMA. It was getting close over here on the 27th of May. They were about to cross again, so I'm really glad they didn't, and we are now moving in the right direction. All in all, guys, Cardano is now, for the first time, looking really good, pending we can close above this downtrending line here. And of course, we see a back test and bounce and continuation upwards of our key levels of support, which is now that downtrending line. That wraps up today's analysis of Cardano's ADA coin, guys. I'd love to hear your thoughts down in the comments section below. Of course, if you did enjoy today's video, make sure you do leave a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of this sort of content, hit subscribe and turn on those bell notifications. I'll leave it there for today, guys. I hope you have an awesome day. I'll see you next time. Cheers.